Boolean groups and alignment are essential tools for creating complex shapes and aligning elements in your designs. Here are some of the features of Boolean groups and alignment in Figma. Boolean groups feature allows you to create complex shapes by combining multiple shapes using Boolean operations. You can create shapes using operations such as union, subtract, intersect, and exclude. Alignment. Figma provides a range of alignment tools that allow you to align elements in your designs, making it easier to create designs that are visually balanced and aesthetically pleasing. You can align elements using options such as left, right, center, top, bottom, and distribute. Distribution. Figma's distribution feature allows you to distribute elements evenly along a horizontal or vertical axis. This is particularly useful when you need to align multiple elements that are different sizes or shapes. Smart selection. Figma's smart selection feature allows you to select multiple elements and align them based on their edges or centers. This makes it easy to create designs that are visually balanced and aligned. Snap to grid. Figma's snap to grid feature allows you to snap elements to a grid, making it easier to create designs that are precise and consistent. You can adjust the size and spacing of the grid to suit your needs. Boolean groups and alignment are important tools for creating complex shapes and aligning elements in your designs by providing a range of tools for working with Boolean groups and alignment. Figma has enables designers to create high fidelity or quality designs that are visually appealing and aesthetically balanced. And let's take a look at some of these examples so you understand clearly what they are. So let's look at Boolean group, for instance. So in Boolean groups, for instance, we're going to have to look at union. Let's look at union. So if we have this, initially we did subtract. So this is for subtract, and if you missed that video, you have to go over it again. All right, so this is how we create for union. So you can bring two shapes together. I'm going to bring a square. All right, I'm going to change the square to this color and delete this and put this. So for instance, I want to combine these two shapes to form something more like this. I'm going to use an alignment tool. My recorder is covering the alignment tool at the top, so I'm going to have to use some other way to tidy this. So we're going to use yeah, so we've been able to do that. So if we do this, one of it, I'm going to change the color to this so that you can see what's going on there. Change it to this and move it in a bit, something like this. So I have these two shapes and I want to actually make them one shape, but not in this manner. So I want to make it something like this. Awesome. So I want these two shapes to be one to form a D. All I have to do is select the circle and select the box. I'll duplicate it first because I'm going to use the gain. Select the circle, select the box, and go up here to the Boolean groups. This is the Boolean groups, and then I'm going to click union selection, and that way everything has now become one and it's now one big D. The next one is we've done subtract, so we're going to do intersect, and I'll duplicate this for the last one. All right, by intersect, you select both of it. It's going to intersect and give you one of the part, I think this part of the shape. So go up here and click on intersect, and you can see it gave us that particular shape. Right, the last one is exclude. So select both of them and you can be able to exclude the particular shape that was coming in between them. So this is how you can use the tool, and this looks more like a logo. I think I'll sell it. I'm just kidding. All right, and then this is how you create it for the other one, which is subtract. All right, subtract, union, intersect, and exclude. Awesome. Let's take a look at the other one. Alignment. So you can align that allow you to align elements in your designs, and this is what it actually means. All right, so if I come up here and align, so I'm looking at the short code because my recorder is covering the details, but I can be able to still select. So if I have, this is what I do. All right, I have this, select all of this and just move them aside. All right, and if I have this text and this text here, and I want to align both of them on the left axis, all I'll do is select both of them and come to my alignment tool, and I'm going to do align left, and you can see what happens. All right, now if I align right, this is what happens. This other one goes to this one. All right, and that is how you can align. So I can also align top, so select both of them and I can align their top to be together. So align horizontal centers, this is align top. So you can see what happens. If I want to align bottom, that would also be the same case, so it aligns bottom. That is how that works. Let's take a look at the next one. So distribution features allows you to distribute elements evenly along a horizontal or vertical axis. So this is what we mean, or what I mean by this. So all you have to do is select I'll just bring this and bring this. All right, and I'll duplicate both of them. Just 3 times is okay. Select all of them, and if they are not equal, you're going to see a shape show here. So I'm going to move this inside a bit, select all of them, and you see it shows. All right, now it's equal. All right, if they were not equal, that shape would always show. So they're not equal, and now they're equal. All right, and then with this you can be able to distribute them horizontally. All right, you can distribute them evenly, horizontally or vertically, so whichever the case may be, or whichever you're looking at going for, you can do that by moving these keys up here. All right, so you're going to see these icons up here. Once you do that, you can be able to adjust them within your design